Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and today I have a little bit of a different video. I actually wanted to talk about this idea or this comment that was actually shared within the Learn Plan Profit group. Sometimes I feel like a lot of traders, especially when you're just getting started, and trust me, I'm no excuse to this either. I don't know if you've ever caught yourself, but you tend to spend so much time waiting for a play, waiting for an opportunity, waiting for some form of movement, and wasting so much of your time. But I think a good amount of people that, pursue trading in the stock market or even getting started is due to the freedom that comes with the market. You can literally trade from anywhere around the world as long as you have an internet connection and access to your brokerage account, which I think is pretty great and pretty remarkable. But with great freedom comes great responsibility. And I think a very common mistake that a lot of people make, and again, correct me if you think I'm wrong, is sometimes I feel like we spend so much time behind a computer screen that we either force ourselves to take a trade, force ourselves to see a opportunity that is not really there, when we can be so much more efficient, right? There's been so many times that I've, wasted hours of my morning simply looking at a screen and nothing ever really happened, and maybe I entered a position hoping that it went according to plan, and I think that is just a very hopeful trade, and that is a very poor way to approach the market. I'm a big believer in, we are here to trade when the opportunity presents itself, not necessarily when you want to trade. We are here to seek opportunity, and it is your job as a day trader to set those alerts so you are reminded and therefore alerted when these opportunities actually present themselves. Today, I started off super strong. I took a position during the pre-market session. I took one day trade. I averaged up on my position as natural gas was selling off. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I was up over $500 profit. $500 profit on one day trade, hitting my daily goal, trading with a decent position size, but still clearing over 1%. I think that's huge, especially to start off the morning. I think I did that all within 7 minutes of the market opening. I was pumped. And then I began to take a couple of trades and slowly began to give it back. This is where I ended up being at. And to put it in very simple terms, I just saw so much consolidation. And again, I fell into that hole of, wasting so much of my time waiting for an opportunity to present itself. I wasted so much of my time, entering a position as there was so much consolidation that nothing ever really happened. And again, entering that hopeful mindset. And again, if you are truly pursuing this market because you enjoy it or because you want the freedom that comes with this market, then make sure that you all understand is that with great freedom comes great responsibility. And I think that we can all agree that structure, discipline, and seeking opportunity is great if we do it in an effective way. So again, I just want to share two things. I think setting alerts in a very effective format can help you save a lot of time and unwanted and forced trades. And then the last thing is maybe limiting the amount of time that you actually spend behind your desk when it comes down to trading in the stock market can also empower you to be more selective, more efficient, a little bit more focused on what is actually going on and being a little bit more efficient and productive throughout your entire day. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Friendly little reminder that tomorrow is Thursday. It's my favorite day to day trade in the stock market. It's the natural gas report, and I would love for you to join me and watch me trade live in the stock market. If you guys have ever wanted to see what that's like, click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group, and see if watching me trade live and the group is a good fit for you. Also, don't forget to join our free Facebook group. That's that first link down below. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.